Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, September 18th. I said for Thursday I was looking for an up day because I felt the Fed would not change interest rates. Now you and I have been talking about that for over the past year. My opinion has been that I think the Fed would leave interest rates unchanged in September, and I think also December. I'm looking for the first interest rate change in next year. I've had some requests actually today internationally regarding October as a possible date for an interest rate change, and I don't see data changing that much to justify that, so I don't see that happening then. The key issue here is that, as you and I have explored in the past, it's inflation. I mean, if you look at the Fed mandates, if you look at past history when they have increased interest rates, inflation is one of those components, one of those parameters that they look at. Well, we don't have it to the levels that they're looking for. So therefore, I think that's one piece that's missing, and plus the international situation isn't exactly calm. So they're concerned about having an impact there. I think that makes sense. So leaving interest rates where they are, I think makes a lot of sense. Now, let's talk about structure. The market really didn't know how to react to it. We saw people rallying right off from news and also backing off by the end of the day. This is a bearish price structure. It implies movement down today for the market. Now, my feeling is that what we're seeing going on in Asia right now, which is what this represents, I'm looking for follow-through to the upside. Not necessarily a dramatic move, but I think we're going to have a positive close as the market absorbs what's happened with regard to interest rates. But with regard to currencies, we can see the euro strengthened as the dollar got weaker. And again, that makes sense if you think about the issue of interest rates and the impact it has on currencies. So yes, nice clean move. Closes above the swing high. I like that kind of behavior. I do not look for a strong move to the upside today, but rather a market to move in about a 50-tick range, a relatively quiet day for that market, unchanged. Interest rates, I feel the same way. They firmed up. That also makes sense in light of what we saw in the stock market. Do I look for strong follow-through here? No, I don't. I look for sellers to come in. I'm looking for a weaker close for Friday's action. Gold, I feel the same way. You can see we had a big move up and it also backed off here. It looks very similar to what you and I saw in the stock market. I don't think there's a reason for this market to get that much stronger. It opened stronger in Asia. We are seeing it back off, and I'm looking for more of that downward movement in the gold market in today's action. In the crude oil market, the energy market, basically an unchanged type day. I think that's very reasonable. Again, crude oil prices, I believe, are moving because of a currency trade, not a supply and demand trade. I am still bearish on this market. I don't look for follow-through to the upside today. Actually, I'm looking for an unchanged sideways to lower market there. And also, when it comes to soybeans, we are looking for an unchanged type day. Very balanced on Thursday. I don't look for a dramatic move up or down, but rather a sideways move as we go into this weekend. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.